Hi guys, today let's talk about FinNifty Expiry for tomorrow. Let's see what's going to happen. What's going to happen tomorrow? Just give me a minute. Just got to get my stuff ready. Okay, let's get started now. FinNifty. It's going to expire Tuesday, so which is tomorrow. We're going to see an expiry. And if you look at the chart structure, you look at the 15 minutes. I advise everyone to look at 15 minutes first. It's doing. Yeah. So this 15 minutes, this is what happened since last Tuesday, and the Thursday we know everyone we had a fall. So looking at the levels, 20,300 should be providing great support, and also they should be strong resistance. So these levels are just dynamic in nature, so not necessarily everyone has to stick to these levels, but looking at 15 minutes candle, we know the pattern of how it's working. And if you look at HDFC Bank, even in HDFC Bank in 15 minutes candle, it is showing strong reversal of the uptrend. It has gone up to 1660 other day, and we see strong reversal. Same with ICICI Bank. and Axis Bank isn't doing that great. So expiry could be somewhere around, trending around 20,300, and 20,380. So which is like 80 points. So FinNifty, most of the expiries, they trade in between 1,500 points mostly, until unless a major event happens. So I would recommend all the traders, all my viewers, trade cautiously, wait for the price action, wait until at least 12:30, where European markets open, and you could get a clear direction, right? Because as I mentioned today, we were at this level and it was not able to break down, so there was no fall, and though market has gone up until 20,360, and there's a strong profit booking coming at these levels. And you can also just look at Nifty 50. See what it has done. Well, it should have held these gains today, at least. If it has held these gains, so it should have held 20,360. Write these points down, and it is showing strong resistance. This is strong resistance. Strong support we observed at 20,300, isn't it? And if it breaks this point, right? So this is a minus support where we can see this is all the bias came in, and this could be the another support line, right? So we can just put in maybe not the text. Yeah. So we have already got this text down here. This is our strong support, 20,360, and 20,000 is strong support line. If at all we're planning for a bullish view, and if at all there could be other side as well, there could be bearish candles, bearish trend. The market tends to open a breakdown, gap down, wait for the first 5 minutes candle, see if there's a red candle is bought in, and wait for the next 5 minutes. If you see green candle going up, so it could trigger a bullish trend, and there's a gap up, and like the same thing happened on Thursday, gap up, slowly people started selling. But I would see this way: option writers, either on call side or right put side, they want the market to trade between these two support lines, where they could eat the premiums. So if you guys are option writers, it's a good idea to do a short straddle, selling a call, OTM calls, or selling OTM puts, having some supports to get the premium benefit, to get the margin benefit, sorry. And that's how we could eat the premiums. I would not recommend straight away jumping into FinNifty, thinking hero on zero, start of the day, not to buy any. Even if you buy, please maintain. See, it closed here. Please buy limited amount, lot size, I would say. There could be a lot of fluctuation. Selling options, good idea. Watch for price action. Do not buy big lots, which means watch for any management. Right. And also, like I mentioned before, you always watch for HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, what they're doing. And that's where we could trigger the trades. Well, we can't rule out this one as just profit booking at higher levels, and it do not change the whole concept of bullish momentum. But always have a stop loss, know where to exit, and if you see trend reversal, just maintain stop losses and exit the trade. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And if at all you've got any questions regarding options selling, options buying, FinNifty, BankNifty, and Nifty, I'll be more than happy to assist and give any sort of advice where I have been doing, which I have been doing for the last 12 or 13 years. And I would love to help someone who really wants to. Thanks, guys. We'll see you again tomorrow in the morning. I'll be mostly coming for live trading sessions. And if at all you guys interested, please subscribe to my channel, where you get an alert when I come online. Please do like and share, comment any questions you got. I would be honestly answering all the questions.